Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change your active hours on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. This will affect when things like Windows updates will install. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change active hours in Windows 11, first head to the main settings page. You can get there a number of ways, but we'll be searching for it in the search bar. In the settings, click on Windows Update from the left and then choose Advanced Options. On the next page, scroll down and look for Active Hours. Click on it to expand this section, and now you should see that it is set to change your active hours automatically based on when you use your PC. To set custom active hours, change it from automatic to manual, and now you can enter the exact times of your active hours in the boxes that appear. And so that is how to change your active hours on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.